Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Redmi A5. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so simply enter the app. In here select your language, then click on agree and continue, and now in this bar all we need to do is to type our phone number. So that is what I'm gonna do now, so just give me a second. Simply type your phone number. Alright, and once you have verified, you will have something like that. Now, all you need to do is to click on continue. You can click on allow to give WhatsApp access to the contacts, and same thing with the music and audio, and with the photos and videos. Alright, now as you could see on the top we had looking for backups, and now we have option to restore our chats. As you can see, I made my backup 4 minutes ago. Below we can also see the site and the account on which I made the backup. Always remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account on your phone. Otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats, so have that in mind. And if you want to restore the chats right now, there won't be a possible way to do it later. So if you want, you have to do it now. So simply click on restore. Now the process will start. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, how to create it. So if you want, you can look for it. Alright, 17 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. Now simply click on next. In here, type your name, and if you want, you can also add for yourself the profile photo by clicking this green plus button. I'm gonna leave it just like it is now, and now we are ready to use our WhatsApp. And just to make sure, let's see, all of the apps, messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully restored. Alright, so that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.